In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell more low content books utilizing this little trick. And we're starting right now. What's going on, my stackers? So in this video, we're going to be talking about selling more low content books. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out videos showing you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So if you're new to low content books, stick around and watch this because you're going to find a lot of value. And also, if you already have low content books available on Amazon, then you're going to want to watch this as well, because this is a little trick that you can do to sell more books. Now, if you don't know what a low content book is, all it is essentially a notebook with lined paper, a sketchbook, a journal, a blank recipe book. We create these interiors and the covers, we upload them to Amazon, then every time it sells, Amazon's going to print your book for you, send it off to your customer, and you receive royalties. So that's what low content books are. If you're interested in this, I do have a course teaching step by step on how to do this, which you can find in the description below at StackinProfit.com/courses. So go through and check that out if you're interested. So how to sell more low content books. This is pretty simple. So once you've started selling some, you do need some sales history to actually do this, but once you've been selling your books for a while, you want to come to here in your back office to month to date. So we're going to click that, and then we want to click paperback just here. Now this is going to bring up all your sales for the month. Okay, so what we now want to do, we can actually do this by previous month or current month. So what we now want to do, we want to go to units sold, and we're going to click here, click on that twice, and now it's going to bring up the highest volume of your books that you have sold. Now I am going to blur all this out so you can't see my titles, but you're still going to understand how to do this. So with this book, I've actually sold 9 copies this month, a low content book. So what I would now do, I would take this title, I would go back to my bookshelf, which is just here, type that in, or just paste that in, so it pulls up this book. Then what I'm going to do, see what that book looks like, and I'm going to create a bunch more books in that niche. See, we've already proven that this is selling because it's already sold 9 copies. So we're going to attack the niche, make a lot more books in this niche with a very similar title and exactly the same keywords. Okay, so we've identified a book which is selling good for us, and now we want to duplicate that book. Not the design though. Obviously, we can keep the same interior. Then we want to completely redesign the design, keep the title very similar, and then copy exactly the same keywords. This is what I've been doing recently, and it's actually working pretty well. So if you have books, your low content books, which are selling on Amazon, go through, look at which ones have been selling that month, and duplicate that success. Pretty simple, and this gets me more sales. Now if you're interested in the course that I have, it's called Printing Profits. Again, you can find the link in the description. You can go to StackinProfit.com/courses, and I do have a Facebook group specifically for the course as well. So with the course, people are already starting to see results with this, and they really like it. So I'm going to blur out this person's name, but good morning from New Zealand. I got an update already. One of my journals that I updated keywords yesterday already sold. I'm so excited, didn't expect that. I thought it would take a week. Thank you so much, Paddy. So with this person, they already had a bunch of low content books, but they weren't selling. So once they went through the module in the course on keyword research, they implemented what I taught, and they're already getting results. Now, if we go over to the Stackers Inner Circle, which you can come and join for free, this one is the Printing Profits course, which you only get access to once you've purchased the course. But the Stackers Inner Circle, you can come and join for free. But this person put, so I just bought the course like 20 hours ago, already saw the keyword video, and I honestly have to say it's the best keyword video for KDP I've seen. And I've seen 7 or 8 YouTube and in other courses. So as you can see, people really like what I'm teaching. If you're interested and want to get results with low content books, then come and join. I still have the discount and it's going on for £49.99 until the 23rd. Then the price will be increasing to £99.99. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you already have those low content books, then go and implement what I just shown you and you'll be able to sell more books. Now, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.